Hello everyone and welcome to another FXCentrum trade idea for today. For today I decided to cover a Bitcoin market and I see potential for the further downside movement. So this is the hourly time frame and I want to go through the technical view and what I see here on the chart. So first of all, we can have here we have a period of, let's say, beginning of September. And we can see that market held a lower Bollinger Band or 2 standard deviations pretty well. We didn't have any major breaks since beginning of September. So market, consolidating, trading higher, pulling back, holding above. And there was a couple of attempts here, but there was no follow through and market made a new high until we didn't see the major break that happened yesterday. And we had quite a big contraction and the downside breakout. You can also see the RSI went all the way to 20 level. So this is a pretty big extreme initial in the sell-off. So market is now taking time to consolidate, but still RSI is around 46, holding pretty good with a reading of an EMA and SMA 40-47 on the hourly time frame, suggesting still further downside movement from here. So again, I will zoom in this one so you can see there was a previous day low where the market reacted here initially, but still we can see a negative divergence on the RSI. And from my view, there is a chance for a further sell-off, probably towards the previous month low, which is sitting around 107,372, 371. So we had a previous week low, which is this area here, and from my view, that will be also a decent protective stop for this trade idea, just above this previous week low. And because we will not like the market to return back there, we might see some reaction higher. So let's now try to construct a short position. At the moment, Bitcoin is trading in the 112,821. And I want to put a protective stop, as I said, for example, 114,539, and put a main downside objective about 107,423. So this is a very, very decent. We have expansion and volatility after the quite a big contraction in this area here, and we might see the further downside continuation towards 107,000 or so, even lower. But I will say for this week, this might be a very interesting downside target. That'll be all for this FXCentrum trade idea for the day. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave the comments below and don't forget to check out 1,000 euros non-deposit bonus by FXCentrum. I have the link in the description of the video. That'll be all from me for today. Take care and speak to you soon.